Alright, welcome channel guys. In today's video I have got the most anticipated watch. So this is the Casio MRW 200H, which is also known as Bill Gates watch. So as I bought this from Flipkart, I have already opened it because Flipkart has this open box delivery. So if you're buying it from Flipkart, make sure you open the box and check the watch before you share OTP, because once you share the OTP you won't be able to replace or return the watch. So that's the policy of Flipkart. So this watch is the most anticipated one. Every time the watch gets in stock, it just disappears right away. So I have finally managed to get my hands on this watch. So this is from the youth series. It used to come in blue box, but they have changed it to this classy black looking box, which looks absolutely elegant and nice. And yeah, these are the details we have on the box below. You can see it is the imported by Casio India Private Limited, and the MRP mentioned here is 2195, but this will be on sale around 45 to 50%, so you can grab a deal whenever it is available. So yeah, as soon as we open the box, we have the watch itself, which is weirdly on. So there is no lock on the dial here. The watch was already on when I unboxed it at the first time. There was no lock or holder. And yeah, this is the model number. You can see MRW 200H. So this watch is also known as poor man's diver watch because it comes with 100 meters of water resistance. Let me remove this. Okay, this is how the watch look. The speciality of this color is, you can see that the hands you see are finished in gold, which looks absolutely nice. And apart from the watch, we have all the paperwork. You can see the watch comes with the 2 years of battery life and all the user manual and the paper and the necessary tags. You can see the MRP is 2195, but you can grab this watch for around 45 to 50%, as I said. So yeah, the USP of this watch is the 100 meters of water resistance. So that's what makes this watch a great deal. And apart from that, you have got good quality resin. The watch is completely made of plastic, and this resin, the back you see here is stainless steel back. So I expected this watch to be little bigger, but it is a small watch, and you can see the size comparison beside the AE 1200 and the MRW 200H. And one more feature of this watch is this watch comes with the bi-directional rotatable dial, which means the dial rotates on both the directions. And by using this, you can set a timer and you can see how long your girlfriend or wife takes to get ready. Yeah, this is the resin belt. There is a texture here which looks absolutely nice, and there are ratchets on this belt here, resin helps, which helps this watch to grip on your wrist nicely. So let me quickly wear this and show you how it looks on my hand. Oh my god. It is getting little difficult as I am making the video, or else it is not that big deal to just wear a watch. There is a Casio logo here which looks nice. The resin is good and soft material, and you can see the watch. This is how it looks on the wrist. So yeah guys, this was all about this video. If you have any doubts or suggestions, do let me know. And what do you think about this watch? Comment down. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.